Alan, we're ready for our close-up. Hey, Alan.
Okay, lol. Okay, let's go over some ideas we made, alright?
Okay.
Okay, Dan, we need new ideas. We need clickbait for views, okay? We need this for our channel to grow. We have 20 subs. Cardi B's got this new track trending. It's called Tomorrow 2 with Gorilla. And I was thinking maybe we can make a parody of it.
But what's the next one going to be called? Next week? The day after? 3 days ago?
Dan, stop, Dan.
Here's an idea. How about we put on tuxedos and go to McDonald's?
Okay.
Go to McDonald's.
Okay. Yeah, Dan, you said that last week, okay? And it's been done a million times. Alright? You bring this one up every week.
Well, it's better than doing another Let's Play of Sonic Adventures.
I only brought that up twice.
Twice too
Hello
many.
everyone, I'm Maxi10 here. Welcome to my playthrough of Sonic Adventure DX Director's Cut. Right, let's go to the adventure.
Go to McDonald's. Go to McDonald's. Well, how about we unbox dildos and tampons for the next video? Go.
What? Dan, I think the SNL writing room is hiring, and they need people like you.
Well, they did reach out to me the other day, but there's no chance I'm leaving this gig at the Oolong channel.
Thank you. Dan, here's an idea. How about we review McDonald's meals in supercars? Nobody has done this yet, okay? You've seen like different food reviewers, channels, and stuff like that. None of them have ever eaten a Whopper in a Ferrari. I'm telling you.
Hi
We get a
everyone,
sponsorship
it's
from a
Joe
rental
Super Cool
company.
Food
They
Reviews.
give us all the cars we want, okay? Because we're gonna make them lots of publicity and lots of money. We're gonna basically drink sodas and eat burgers, and we're gonna time them to themselves. And we're gonna drive over 200 miles per hour, and we're gonna see who throws up first on the fine Italian mothers. Okay? Tell me this is not the greatest idea ever.
I don't think we have enough subscribers for that yet.
Yeah, I guess you're right. We do have to make a couple more dozen. Dan, I think I have a Google Doc here. Let me check this out. Alright, Dan, get this, ready? Andrew Tate taught me how to steal. That's the name of the video, okay? Alright, everybody's all about this guy. This guy's all over the place. They banned him from the internet because he was so controversial. This guy's everywhere, okay? In this video, Daniel Weeks, that's you, okay, gets entranced by the top G himself. Somehow, after watching 50,000 TikToks of his, Dan believes that he should steal from garage sales to profit big off of vintage Hot Wheels and comic books. Right? You follow me? Okay? Ready? He gets very excited when he finds a limited edition manga, but is displeased when the pages are stuck together. This is, of course, the climax in the video. This is like the big event, dramatic music and all that. He claims that it is his God-given right to hustle and calls Alan a small, pathetic brokey. You know what, honestly, Dan? I think this one's actually too good for us.
What do you mean it's too good for us?
You know what? I just don't think we can faithfully recreate this video. What I have written down here belongs in a museum.
Museum, my ass. This could be $1 million subscriber point.
Yeah, but with your acting skills, I don't think we're gonna get too far with it.
My acting skills are top of the line.
Dan, I went to acting camp, acting school. I was almost a Nickelodeon star.
Wow, a monkey can do that. A monkey.
What's with the puppet, Dan? Why'd you bring a puppet to my room?
Cause it can be comedic at times. And it reminds me of you, a small monkey.
Are you calling me a monkey? You think I have a small brain like a monkey's brain?
A monkey is 10 times as smart and can do more impressive lines than you can. Isn't that right, monkey?
Alright, Dan, what about that? Remember that day it snowed and we were playing in the snow like little school children, like giggling and laughing? And we made that album cover, we took that picture, and we edited it and we made it like look funny.
What about the album?
You know, we made the cover, we never really made any songs. We don't even know how to make music. I just have a bunch of instruments here, like, but we don't know how to use any of it. But I thought of like a sound that maybe we could use when we learn instruments. Because I know you wanted to pick up the bass guitar.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, and I was going to play the clarinet. So I'll show you right now. Okay, right? So this song's called Pump Up the Jam. And you see the music video, it's I thought we could do something like this. Is it cool? Right, so it sounds pretty good, right? But it doesn't have to be exactly like that.
Alan, this sounds like ass.
What?
It sounds like the kind of things that white people will listen. Case in point, you.
Okay, alright. You're just a hater. You just came here to hate on my ideas, okay?
Hate because I'm truthful, motherfucker.
Suck the fart out of my ass! If you think you own me, you suck you! Suck.
You're the motherfucker! I do fuck you! You're the fucker!
Everyone does it!
Of course I
No one
do! Take off his pants.
Take off my pants.
Take them off! Take off your Ulan Channel issue writing team pants.
Nah, I had the right to own these writing team.
douche! I will stick my dick so far in your face you will not know what hit you. The back of your brain is gonna be suffering. You're gonna f you for ever saying anything.
Pants off.
Fine. I can't believe I'm doing this shit. Oh. Take your pants. I don't need this. I don't need any of this. I can be better.
Get out! Get out of my house! Wait. Say bye to my grandma before you leave.
I will say goodbye. Hey. Bye-bye, babushka.
Hey Dan, you got this!